Hi, my name's Adam Seton, and you might remember me as the Intercept King. Oh, sorry, that's wrong. The Intercept King is in fact my other partner, John Adam, who used to play for the North Sydney Bears. People often get confused when they call Marsdens Law Group or send emails to Adam. I am, in fact, the other Adam in the office, the one who no one ever sees or hears from because he is too busy working, as compared to the other one who is usually too busy playing golf or checking his TAB account. I've stepped in today to speak to you because our senior partner, Jim Marsden, is travelling around New South Wales to spend some of his dollars doing the grey nomad thing, even though, as most of you will see from his previous presentations, he is really not grey, or so he tells us. Our other partner, Peter Crittenden, who you might have seen before on these video presentations, unfortunately is not available this week as he has an appointment at Ashley and Martin that he could not get out of. It's been an interesting week for us here at Marsdens this week. At the commencement of the week, we brought everybody back into the office on the basis that we thought it would be safe to do so. Unfortunately, due to the Crossroads hotspot and Campbelltown being declared by Queensland to be a hotspot for the bug, we decided that as a precaution we would go back to the Team A and Team B approach so that only half of our staff are working in the office at any one time and the other half are working from home. Well, at least I think they're working from home. Obviously, if they are watching this video, they are clearly not working. For those of you who don't know, I am the partner in charge of our Land and Environment Court section. The Land and Environment Court is continuing to function reasonably well and efficiently during this health crisis. Some might even say more efficiently than it did before the health crisis. I've appeared in a number of hearings since the time that the court stopped face-to-face hearings through the use of various forms of technology, including the old-fashioned telephone, the audio-visual link at the court, and more recently through the Microsoft Teams video conferencing application. Despite the occasional hiccup caused by the slow internet that we have here out in Campbelltown, I've been able to cross-examine witnesses and present cases in a similar way to the way in which it was done prior to social distancing. The solicitors in our section are also travelling a lot less, as the court has enabled all of the pre-trial work that would have otherwise required physical attendance at the court to be carried out remotely. I hope that continues. The government is also keeping us busy with almost daily changes and announcements relating to the planning legislation, including the announcements this week that are aimed at keeping the economy moving and keeping people in jobs, such as the faster assessments program for rezoning decisions and decisions on larger, regionally significant projects. The Minister's also announced that 2 new commissioners will be appointed to the Land and Environment Court to help clear the backlog of appeals that are presently in the court, and that there will be new appeals established for rezonings that have been delayed in the system for too long. We're yet to see the details of those changes coming through from the department. Anyway, that's probably enough from me today. If my other partners decide that this is my last video, good luck to you all. And as they say, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep washing.